Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Finance with Avern. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you make the most out of your money, whether it's through saving, earning rewards, or taking advantage of sign-up bonuses like this one, investing in stocks, ETFs, and so forth and so forth. So if that sounds like something you're into, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and like the video because that helps support the channel. Now, are you looking for some extra cash just for opening a checking account? Well, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm getting into the PNC Bank's checking account offer where you can earn $100, $200, or $400 just for signing up and meeting a few requirements. I'll explain the details of each bonus tier, how to qualify, and share tips to make the most out of this offer. And PNC Bank is the 7th largest bank in the United States based on total assets, and the accounts mentioned in this video are all FDIC insured. Now, very important, depending on where you live and your zip code will determine which bonus you'll be eligible for. The $100 bonus, $200 bonus, or $400 bonus, because that is linked to which kind of account that you open. So when you go to the PNC website to sign up for an account, you will be met with this prompt. So as you see, PNC product and feature availability varies by location. Please enter the zip code for your home address to make sure the information provided is accurate. So I've tried a few different zip codes at this prompt, and it does change which accounts you're eligible to open. So depending on where you live will be depending on which account you can open. Now, for me personally, I actually signed up for this bonus. And with the home address that I use for this bonus, the zip code that I wanted it linked to and everything like that, it only gave me the option of the virtual wallet with spend account where I can earn the $200 bonus. It did not give me the option for the virtual wallet with performance select account where I can earn the $400 bonus. So that is very important and will determine basically which bonus you're eligible to receive because it's linked to the account that you're eligible to sign up for. If you have a residential address and the zip code you're using is not in one of the states that PNC has a location at, then unfortunately it looks like you're not going to be eligible to receive a bonus when you sign up for an account. So these are the states that PNC operates in. So basically these are the states that will be eligible for some type of bonus. As you see them on the screen, and I'll read them out to you, you have Alabama, Arizona, California, Colorado, Delaware, District of Columbia, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Kentucky, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Missouri, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, West Virginia, Wisconsin. Now, unfortunately, not every state is eligible for this PNC sign-up bonus. Now, some other things that are very important in regards to eligibility that you have to meet in order to receive the bonus. So the new account that you open will not be eligible for the offer if you or any signer, like a co-signer on the new account has an existing PNC Bank consumer checking account or has closed an account within the past 12 months or has been paid a PNC promotional premium in the past 24 months. So depending if you fall into one of these categories will also determine your eligibility. If you had a PNC account before, but it's been closed, outside of 12 months and you did not receive any kind of bonus with it, then yeah, you will be eligible for this bonus. Now, if you had a PNC account, but it was closed, at 13, 14 months ago, but you received a bonus for opening it, then you would not be eligible for this account. Yes, you closed an account outside of the past 12 months. However, you received a bonus within the past 24 months. So it pretty much depends on, do you have a PNC checking account right now? Did you have one within the past 12 months and close it? Did you close one outside of the past 12 months? Well, if you did you receive a bonus within the past 24 months? So it really kind of depends on a couple of questions right there that you have to answer, no to basically to determine if you're eligible to receive this bonus. Now, if multiple accounts are open with the same signers, only one account will be eligible for the premium. And by premium, they mean the bonus. Now, also, trust, estate, and other specialty title accounts are excluded from this offer. And like a lot of these sign-up bonus offers, this offer may be extended, modified, or discontinued at any time. So I've definitely seen bonuses be extended by different banks and financial institutions, or they could even, just end the bonus at any time or change it, modify it. I've seen that as well. And sometimes I've definitely seen them increase the bonus amount. Like everything else will be the same, but the bonus amount will be increased. Or the requirements will change, like the direct deposit requirements will be lowered or increased. So what I'm I'm showing you and stating on this video is correct as of November 30th, 2024. However, things could change with this bonus for sure. And also in regards to eligibility is actually signing up for an account. What do you need to sign up for an account with PNC? You will need a U.S. government issued photo ID, such as a driver's license, a non-driving state identification card, a military ID, or a passport. Also, they're going to ask you some personal information, which is pretty much standard with opening up a bank account at financial institutions. Like I stated, I've opened up an account with PNC. It's pretty much standard questions. They're going to ask you information about yourself, and they're going to run it through a system to check and see if you are entering correct information that matches you. So yeah, they're going to ask you personal information, including your social security number, date of birth, and current residential address. Now, step number 1 is going to be opening up one of these accounts that you're eligible for online via the application links on this page or in a physical PNC location with the coupon code from September 4th, 2024 through January 2nd, 2025. So that is very important. I'm going to have the link to this promotional page and the description of the video. Is not a referral link for me or anything. I don't get anything for this. I'm not sponsoring anything like that, but I'm just going to land you on this page quicker. You could also Google, PNC Bank bonus, something like that, and likely land on this page. Now, first, of course, you're going to be met with that prompt of entering your zip code. So after you enter that, you will see which accounts you're eligible to open. And from then on, you can determine which account you want to actually open for and go for the bonus. The thing that separates these bonuses basically are the accounts themselves, which have different monthly service charges and ways to avoid them. I'll tell you about that in that section of the video. And also the direct deposit requirement is different for each of these bonuses. And I'll tell you more about that in step number 2. So for example, if you're opening up this account online, this is how it's going to look. And you see right there, they already stated the offer reward was successfully applied. You don't have to enter any kind of bonus code or promo code or anything like that when you're applying online. If you apply through the link from the promotion page, it's going to be automatically applied. And you'll see it right there, that green check mark, all that looks great. All right, what you'll need, you must be at least 18 years old and a U.S. citizen or resident alien. Also, you're going to need a government issued photo ID, whether that be a valid U.S. driver's license, state issued ID, or military ID. Now, personal information, like I stated in the eligibility section, they're going to want your social security number, date of birth, and U.S. residential address. So as you see right here, the first question they're asking you, are you an existing PNC customer? So I'm going to go ahead and say no to that. Now they're going to ask you, do you want to have a co-applicant, a co-signer with this? You can check that. If not, leave it unchecked or uncheck it. I'm going to go to next on this. And so here's the section right here, personal information. Like I stated, pretty basic, pretty standard when opening up a bank account. Name, date of birth, email address, phone number, questions about your citizenship, address, and which kind of ID you have right here. So which kind of ID do you have? A driver's license, military ID, or state ID? They want some kind of government issued ID. Now, if you don't have one of those IDs, you're a non-resident alien, something like that, you're going to need to apply in person at a physical branch. As you see right here, please schedule an appointment to find a location and apply. So if you want to go to the physical location and open up the account and receive the bonus, you'll need a coupon code. How you get that coupon code is on the promotional page. Right here below the section of which account, which bonus and everything like that you're eligible for, you will see a section that states request a coupon. So if you prefer to open this account in a branch physically, you need to bring the coupon with you to redeem this promotion. Very important. So I'm going to click on this and show you what is needed, what they're going to ask for. They're going to want your first name, last name, and email address. Very simple. You provide that information and they will email you a coupon code that can be used to redeem the offer at your local branch of PNC Bank. So very easy, very simple. Make sure you do that. If you do not apply online through this promotional page, definitely request a coupon code. Take that coupon code with you, the email, whatever, print it out, show it to them on your phone. Make sure when you're opening it up physically in a branch, if you go that route, that you give them the coupon code. So that's step number 1 right there. Very important. Open up the account online through the promotional page or at a physical location with the coupon code by January 2nd, 2025. And a couple of days after I signed up for this account with the bonus, I got a reminder email in my inbox, as you can see right there on the screen, stating you could earn a $200 cash reward. So just reminding me, hey, you signed up for the account with the promotion attached. This is what you need to do. So that was kind of nice to confirm. Yes, I have this bonus in progress. I've started the steps. Let's continue. Now, step number 2 is qualifying direct deposits. Now, depending on which account you open and which bonus you're going for will depend on your direct deposit amount. So as you see, for the virtual wallet account with the $100 bonus, you'll just need to have total qualifying direct deposits of $500 or more to the spend account. For the virtual wallet and performance spend account, you'll need to have a total qualifying direct deposits of $2,000 or more to the spend account. For the virtual wallet with Performance Select, you'll need to have total qualifying direct deposits of $5,000 or more to the spend account. Now, spend account, spend account, spend account. If you're wondering what that is, that's basically their way of saying checking account. So the spend account is their checking account, basically. As you see, spend, primary checking account, spend, primary checking account, spend, primary checking account. Now, that is pretty much the amounts. The amounts are different depending on the account and the bonus. The eligible direct deposits, that's going to be the same across all accounts. Now, with those qualifying direct deposits, the amount you're going for, one thing to keep in mind is that those direct deposit amounts, that total that you're going for, that you need to get, has to be received within the first 60 days of account opening. Now, what are eligible direct deposits for PNC Bank? Let me tell you about that. So, a qualifying direct deposit is defined as a reoccurring direct deposit of a paycheck, pension, Social Security, or other regular monthly income electronically deposited by an employer or an outside agency into the spend account of a virtual wallet. With those accounts, the Performance Select, virtual wallet with Performance Spend, or virtual wallet. So those are eligible direct deposits right there. Pretty typical, pretty standard, paycheck, pension, Social Security, or some kind of other regular monthly income electronically deposited by an employer or outside agency. Now, some people have little workarounds for the outside agency part, depending on how it gets deposited, things like that. I'm not going to say, what works, what you could try, what to work, because I don't want to affect, whether or not you get this bonus. I'm just going to tell you for sure what will work. And a lot of people typically are going to do, paychecks through their employer. Now, the way you do that is up to you. You don't have to do your whole paycheck amount. You can do a specific amount. When I do these bonuses, I do a specific amount. For this bonus, actually specifically to tell you what I'm doing is basically I get paid every bi-weekly from the employer that I'm linking with this direct deposit. And I'm going to do $1,000 from my check into this account every 2 weeks. After I hit that, after 2 direct deposits, I will hit that $2,000 or more for the account that I was eligible for to receive that $200 bonus. So after that, I'm going to stop direct depositing into this account because I have other accounts that I'm working on, getting a sign-up bonus with as well that I'm splitting the check into. With your employer, a lot of times you can do that as well. You can do a certain percentage amount or a certain dollar amount, however you want to do that. So you don't have to do your whole paycheck into this account unless you want to just knock it out. You get paid $2,000 something every 2 weeks, every month, whatever. If you want to just do it that way, knock it out, boom, that's totally fine, totally acceptable. It's up to you however you want to split your paycheck, pension, Social Security up to go into this PNC account to meet that direct deposit amount within 60 days of account opening. Now, there are some transfers and deposits that you can do with this account, however, that aren't eligible for the qualifying direct deposits. So here they are right here, examples of things that do not qualify as an eligible direct deposit for this offer. Credit card cash advance transfers, wire transfers, person-to-person transfers, transfers from one account to another, or deposits made at a physical PNC location or ATM. All of those right there do not qualify as a qualifying direct deposit. So yes, that's step number 2 right there, is having that total qualifying direct deposit amount in the account deposited within 60 days of account opening. And the total amount of the direct deposit is determined by which account you have opened. So whether that be the virtual wallet with Performance Select, virtual wallet with Performance Spend, or just a virtual wallet. So you know which account you open, which account you're going for, and that will determine how much you need to have in direct deposits total within 60 days. Step number 3 is receiving the bonus. What do you need to do to receive the bonus? You've opened the account on time. You've got your total direct deposits in the account on time. What do you need to do now to receive the bonus? Very important, keep the account open in good standing. Your virtual wallet account, and it doesn't matter which one you have, your virtual wallet account, your checking account, your new checking account with PNC Bank must remain open in order for you to receive the reward, the bonus, which will be credited to the eligible account 60 to 90 days after all conditions have been met, and it will be identified as credits check reward on your monthly statement. So after you open the account on time, you make your total direct deposits amount. If you do that within, let's say 35 days, Well, then after that 35 days, between 60 to 90 days after all conditions are met, you'll get that bonus. So it won't be within 60 days or within 90 days. It's within 60 to 90 days after the requirements are met. So if you, depending on how quick you meet the requirements, will also somewhat depend on how quick you receive the bonus. This could take a while for you to get to bonus, depending on when you meet the requirements. For example, if you don't hit that total direct deposits requirement amount until like the 59th day of, you opening the account, then you got 60 to 90 days after that when you'll receive the bonus. So this can go up to like 120, 150 days from account opening in regards to you receiving the bonus. It just really depends on how quick you get the requirements done. And then it's a little bit of a waiting game. You could get that bonus on the 61st, 62nd day from, meeting those requirements, or it could be the 88th, 89th day from meeting those requirements. So it just really depends. It's going to be somewhere between that 60 to 90 days after you meet the requirements. Now, also, the value of this reward, this bonus, may be reported on the appropriate IRS Internal Revenue Service form and may be considered taxable income to you. Please consult your tax advisor regarding your specific situation. If you're familiar with these sign-up bonuses and you do your own taxes, you know what to expect. You know about the 1099-MISC form. You know where to enter the information in on your taxes and deal with that, so forth, so forth. However, if you're unfamiliar with that and you get somebody else to do your taxes, make sure you take the form that PNC sends to you to your tax advisor, whoever's doing your taxes, along with all the other documents you're bringing, your W-2, so forth and so forth. Depending on when you get this bonus will depend on when you receive the form. If you receive this bonus from PNC Bank in 2025, then you may receive that IRS form in the mail in 2026 to report on your 2025 taxes. So depending on when you get the bonus paid out to you will depend on when you may be receiving that form and when you'll need to report it on your taxes. Now, all three of these accounts do have a monthly service charge attached to them. However, all three also have ways to avoid that monthly service charge. Let's go over here, starting with the virtual wallet. There's no minimum opening deposit required to open the virtual wallet account. However, there is a monthly service charge of $7. Now, you can get that monthly service charge waived if you meet any of the following requirements. You could have a $500 combined average monthly balance in your spend in or reserve accounts, which is that virtual wallet account total in general. Or you can have $500 in qualifying monthly direct deposits to your spend account during the statement period. So within a month, basically at least $500 a month. Or if you're an account holder that is age 62 or over, or if you're an account holder that is a PNC employee. So there are a few ways right there to avoid that monthly service charge of $7 with the virtual wallet account. Now, with the virtual wallet account with performance spend, there's no minimum opening deposit required to open it. However, there is a monthly service charge of $15 a month or $15 a statement period. However, there are multiple ways to avoid this as well. Now, you can avoid the monthly service charge on the virtual wallet and performance spend account of $15 a month if you meet one of the following. If you have $2,000 of combined average monthly balance in your spend in or reserve accounts, which is basically your virtual wallet with performance spend account in total in general. Or you can have $10,000 in combined average monthly balance across PNC Bank consumer deposit accounts you have chosen to link. So if you got other accounts with PNC Bank and you're linking them with this account, then if you have a combined average monthly of $10,000 or more, you can get that fee waived. Also, another way to get the fee waived with this account is that you can have $2,000 in qualifying monthly direct deposits to your spend account during the statement period. And they lower that for workplace or military banking customers to $1,000 a month in qualifying direct deposits. So if you meet that amount within the statement period, within a month, then you can have that monthly service charge waived each month, each statement period. So if you meet that 1 month, then it will be waived. If you don't meet that the next month, then it won't be waived for that month. Also, another way to have this monthly service fee waived is if you are a PNC employee. Now, for the third account with the highest bonus attached to it, the PNC Virtual Wallet with Performance Select account, there's no minimum deposit required to open it as well. However, there is a monthly service charge of $25 with this account. Now, this one has the highest monthly service charge, but there are a few ways that you can get it waived as well. Now, if you meet one of the following, you can get that $25 fee waived from this account. If you have $5,000 in combined average monthly balance in your spend in up to 7 PNC Bank consumer checking accounts you have chosen to link, including reserve. So if you have $5,000 combined average in this virtual wallet performance select account in total, or with those other accounts linked, then you can have that monthly service fee waived. Another way to have it waived is if you have $25,000 in combined average monthly balance across PNC Bank consumer deposit and or PNCI investment accounts you have chosen to link, then you can have that fee waived. Or if you have $5,000 in qualifying monthly direct deposits to your spend account during the statement period, then you would have that fee waived per statement period per month. If you meet that qualifying direct deposit amount in that statement period in that month, it will be waived. Then you will get hit with that monthly service charge if you don't meet one of the other ways to have the fee waived. Now, the last way that you can have this fee waived from this account, same as the previous other accounts, if you are a PNC employee, then you will not get hit with that monthly service charge. So yeah, each account does have a monthly service fee associated with it. However, there are different ways to have that monthly service charge waived. So keep that in mind when you're signing up for this bonus, depending on which account you have, that there is a service charge attached to it. However, there are ways to have it waived. Just something to keep in mind with this bonus. So, all right, so that's the eligibility steps 1, 2, and 3 for this PNC Bank sign up bonus. It's a little bit more convoluted than some of the other bonuses I've done videos on, mainly because of that first, prompt right there that can I ask, what zip code are you at? Because not only does that determine if you're eligible to receive any kind of bonus, it also determines which accounts you're eligible to open, which reflects which bonus you're able to receive. So there's a couple of upfront steps that kind of make this bonus a little different than standard in other bonuses. I can't just say up front, like you see it on the video on the intro, I couldn't just say like, earn $400, earn $200, earn $100, whatever it is, because it depends on which account you're opening. And it also, depending on your residential address, depends on which account you can open if you get a bonus. And then if you're not in an eligible state in general, then of course, no bonus. You're not eligible for any of them. So it really kind of depends right there. Definitely review it. If you're eligible and opening up an account with PNC Bank and receive a bonus, make sure you follow the steps and everything to receive the bonus, whether that be online or in person at a physical branch. Thanks for watching. I hope this breakdown of PNC Bank's bonus offer helps you decide if it's right for you. Remember, these offers don't last forever, so if you're interested, make sure to act fast and follow the steps to qualify. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've taken advantage of this offer or any other bank bonuses recently. If you have any questions or concerns or any advice for somebody signing up for this account, definitely leave a comment down below if you don't mind. And also don't forget to subscribe to Finance with Avern for more tips on saving, earning, and maximizing your money. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.